You walked into my quiet afternoon like gentle rain beneath the summer moon. I never planned to lose my guarded heart, but somehow love became my favorite part. Your laughter drifted softly through the breeze, bringing restless thoughts to peaceful ease. Every moment we wrote yesterday in the sweetest unexpected way. I carried scars I thought would never fade, hidden underneath the smile I made. Then your patience slowly changed my view, showing me what faithful love can do. Like the tide returning to the shore, you gave me strength to hope once more. Now every sunrise feels brand new, because every road leads back to you. Love can surprise the strongest soul, turning broken pieces into whole. Even when tomorrow's hard to see, your heart keeps finding mine so naturally. Love is unpredictable, wild and beautiful too. Every winding road keeps leading back to you. Through the tears and through the smiles we share, we find forever waiting there. Love is unpredictable, gentle as the sea, growing stronger every time you believe in me. Hand in hand we'll face whatever comes our way, choosing love every single day. There were nights we almost lost our way, searching for the words we couldn't say. Still forgiveness opened every door, making our hearts stronger than before. Now the stars are shining in our eyes, brighter than the warm Caribbean skies. Every heartbeat sings in harmony, a love as endless as the sea. Love is unpredictable, wild and beautiful too. When storms appear, we'll stand as one until the rising of the morning sun. We'll write tomorrow side by side with faith, forgiveness, hope, and pride. Love is unpredictable, that's the beauty we embrace. Every new tomorrow brings another reason to stay. With every heartbeat, every kiss, every smile so true, I'll keep falling back to you. Love is unpredictable, but one thing never changes. Through every season, through life's pages, forever together beneath the island sky. Our love will never say goodbye. As the ocean whispers to the sand, we'll keep walking hand in hand. No matter where tomorrow leads, love is all we'll ever need. You look my way, but your eyes drift far, like you're chasing another star. We still dance beneath the evening sky, but silence answers every sigh. I remember laughter on the shore, the little things we treasured before. Now I'm searching through your quiet smile, wondering if it's been gone a while. If your heart is hiding, let it speak. Love grows stronger when we're not afraid to be weak. Tell me truth with open arms tonight. Let's bring our fading flame back to the light. Do you even love me like you used to do? Does your heart still beat when I reach for you? If there's still a spark beneath the rain, let's build our love again. Do you even love me when the daylight fades? Can we find the dreams that time misplaced? Take my hand, don't let forever slip away. Choose our love again. There were moments pride stood in our way, words we wish we didn't say. Still I see the kindness in your eyes, a hopeful sunrise in disguise. Every tear has taught us how to grow, like rivers finding seas they always know. Love is patient when two hearts decide to leave the hurt behind. We don't have to carry yesterday, we can let forgiveness lead the way. Every promise starts with one embrace, every ending finds amazing grace. Do you even love me like you used to do? shore. Our hearts have found what they're searching for. Hand in hand, we'll see it through. Forever me and you. Call out your name. Nothing in my world has stayed the same. Every little smile you send my way turns the clouds to skies of brighter gray. Like the shoreline meeting gentle waves, your embrace is where my spirit stays. Every heartbeat finds a sweeter tune, dancing underneath the silver moon. We've known the silence after tears, walked together through uncertain years. Still our love refused to disappear. Now it's speaking loud and clear. Love loud and clear. I hear your heart calling me no matter where we are. Every promise shines like morning light, holding us through every night. Love loud and clear, forever strong. Right beside you is where I belong. Every kiss writes another page of a love that never fades. There were days when hope seemed far away, when the words were hard for us to say. But forgiveness opened every door, making us believe once more. Now the sunset paints the sea with gold. Every memory becomes more beautiful. Hand in hand we greet another day, choosing love in every way. Every season brings another chance. Every glance begins another dance. Side by side we'll always find a love that's gentle, true, and kind. Love loud and clear, I hear your heart calling me no matter where we are. Every promise shines like morning light, holding us through every night. Love loud and clear, forever strong. Right beside you is where I belong. Every kiss writes another page of a love that never fades. Like the tide returning to the shore, I'll keep choosing you forevermore. When the stars awaken in the sky, our dreams will always learn to fly. No fear, No distance, no passing year can quiet a love that's loud and clear. Love loud and clear, it fills the air in every smile and every prayer. Every sunrise, every sea brings you closer still to me. Love loud and clear, our sweetest song, a melody that's carried on, forever faithful, forever true. Every beat belongs to you. As the moonlight kisses ocean blue, my heart keeps finding home in you. Love loud and clear, always near, forever ours, year after year. Silver moon is rising by the sea, casting gentle light on you and me. Every wave is singing soft and slow, like a secret only lovers know. When you hold me, time just slips away, turning every night into a brand new day. Your smile shines brighter than the stars above, lighting every corner of my heart with love. We have stumbled through the pouring rain, mended every crack, released the pain. Now every heartbeat softly whispers true. Every dream begins and ends with you. Moonlight kisses falling on our souls, healing every place that time once stole. Wrapped together underneath the sky, you're the reason love can truly fly. Moonlight kisses, warm as island air. Every little moment says you care. I'll be yours through every changing tide, forever with you by my side. There were nights our hearts could barely speak. Love felt fragile, hope was growing weak. Still forgiveness found its quiet way, bringing brighter mornings every day. Now the breeze keeps dancing through your hair, filling every silent space with care. Every promise blossoms like the spring. You're the sweetest song I'll ever sing. patient like the rolling sea, always finding its way back to me. Hand in hand we'll never fade away, choosing one another every day. No matter where life's journey may unfold, our story will forever shine like gold. Moonlight kisses, lighting up the night, turning every shadow into light. With your heart forever close to mine, every star begins to softly shine. Moonlight kisses, carried by the breeze, floating gently through the swaying trees. All forever starts with one embrace. Love has finally found its place. The moon keeps glowing higher above, blessing every step we take with love. Moonlight kisses, soft and true. A memory leads to you. Morning sunshine in your gentle smile, you turn my darkest days into worthwhile. Every little touch feels so brand new. Every dream I dream begins with you. The wind keeps whispering your lovely name. Every heartbeat never sounds the same. Like the ocean dancing with the shore, you make me love forevermore. When the rain comes falling from above, you remind me what it means to love. Hand in hand we'll never drift apart. You've already found a home inside my heart. You're my heaven sent, my sweetest melody, the only one that brings out the best in me. Through every season, through the stormy weather, our hearts keep beating stronger together. You're my heaven sent, my endless sunrise glow, more beautiful than words could ever show. I love you now, tomorrow endlessly. Forever you'll be my destiny. There were moments filled with tears and pain, broken promises beneath the pouring rain. But forgiveness built a stronger flame. Now our love will never fade away. Every sunset paints wax your face in gold. Every memory grows more precious as we roll. With every breath I'll gladly say, I'm loving you more every day. If tomorrow brings another test, I'll still choose your loving over all the rest. Every road keeps leading back to you. I'll forever always start anew. You're my heaven sent, my sweetest melody, the only one that brings out the best in me. Through every season, through the stormy weather, our hearts keep beating stronger together. You're my heaven sent, my endless sunrise glow, more beautiful than words could ever show. I love you now, tomorrow endlessly. Forever, ever you'll be my destiny. Love can bend but never has to break. Every sunrise brings another chance to make. All the dreams we've carried deep inside bloom like flowers, standing side by side. No matter where this road may lead, your loving heart is all I'll ever need. You're my heaven sent, my sweetest melody, my land breeze, my peaceful harmony. Forever faithful, forever true. Every beat belongs to you. You're my heaven sent, my heart's sweet song. Right beside you is where I belong. Together we'll write eternity, wrapped in endless love so free. Love keeps shining like the morning sun, two hearts forever beating as one. Heaven sent, forever mine. Love beyond the end of time. Your quiet kindness just opened the way, turning cold, lonely hours into soft break of day. You never demanded more than I could give, just stayed right beside me and taught me to live. Now every small moment feels precious and true. All of this sweetness begins and ends with you. Sweet love remains when the storms pass us by. Your gentle affection still lifts me up high. Through every heartbreak, through every tear, your soft forgiveness draws me near. I'll stay in this feeling no matter the cost. Sweet love remains. This love won't be lost. I used to believe that the past would stay near, that broken pieces could never heal clear. But you offered grace like the first morning light, washing the darkness and making things right. Now mornings feel softer, the air feels so free. I'm choosing this path with my whole heart and me. No longer afraid of the scars that we share. Your lasting romance is the answer to prayer. Sweet love remains when the storms pass us by. Your gentle affection still lifts me up high. Through every heartbreak, through every tear, your soft forgiveness draws me near. I'll stay in this feeling no matter the cost. Sweet love remains. This love won't be lost. I laid down the pride that was keeping me bound, found something deeper on solid ground. This isn't a moment that fades with the night. It's a love that keeps growing, steady and bright. Sweet love remains when the storms pass us by. Your gentle affection still lifts me up high. Through every heartbreak, through every tear, your soft forgiveness draws me near. I'll stay in this feeling no matter the cost. Sweet love remains. This love won't be lost. Sweet love remains. Softly I stay. This love won't be lost. Sweet love remains. Baby, I need you here. The nights feel so empty when you're far away. I reach through the silence, hoping you will stay. Old memories linger of the tears we once shared, but your gentle spirit still shows that you care. I carry the weight of the words left unsaid, the moments of doubt that lived inside my head. Yet every time I stumble, you reach for my hand, showing me love that I still understand. Baby, I need you here, right by my side. Your sweet affection is where I confide. Through every heartbreak, This love won't be lost. I used to believe that the past would remain, that broken pieces could never heal the same. But you offered grace like the morning's first light, turning my darkness into something so bright. Now mornings feel different, the air feels so clear. I'm choosing this path with no doubt and no fear, no longer afraid of the scars that we share. Your lasting romance is the answer to prayer. Baby, I need you here, right by my side. Your sweet affection is where I confide. Through every heartbreak, through every tear, your soft forgiveness draws me near. I'll stay in this moment, no matter the cost. Baby, I need you. This love won't be lost. I laid down the pride that was keeping me bound, found something deeper on this solid ground. This isn't a season that fades with the night. It's a love that keeps growing, steady and bright. Baby, I need you here, right by my side. Your sweet affection is where I confide. Through every heartbreak, through every tear, your soft forgiveness draws me near. I'll stay in this moment, no matter the cost. Baby, I need you. This love won't be lost. Baby, you here. Softly I stay. This love won't be lost. Need you here. You are my all. I walk through the shadows of yesterday's rain, carrying the weight of old heartache and pain. But your gentle presence just opened the door, showing me love I had never known before. You spoke without words when my spirit was low, held me so steady when I couldn't let go. Now every small moment feels precious and true. 'cause all of my world starts and ends with you. You are my all, my affection, my home, the soft place I rest when I'm tired and alone. Through every heartbreak, through every storm, your sweet forgiveness keeps me warm. I'll stay right beside you, whatever may fall. You are my all, my lasting love, my all. I used to believe that the past would remain, that broken pieces could never heal the same. But you offered grace like the morning's first light, turning my darkness into something so bright. Now mornings feel different, the air feels so clear. I'm choosing this path with no doubt and no fear. No longer afraid of the scars that we share. Your lasting romance is the answer to prayer. You are my all, my affection, my home, the soft place I rest when I'm tired and alone. Through every heartbreak, through every storm, your sweet forgiveness keeps me warm. I'll stay right beside you, whatever may fall. You are my all, my lasting love, my all. I lay down the pride that was keeping me bound, found something deeper on this solid ground. This isn't a season that fades with the night. It's a love that keeps growing, steady and bright. You are my all, my affection, my home, the soft place I rest when I'm tired and alone. Through every heartbreak, through every storm, your sweet forgiveness keeps me warm. I'll stay right beside you, whatever may fall. You are my all, my lasting love. You are my all. Softly I stay. Pride that was holding me down. Let go of the walls I had built all around. The nights felt so heavy when silence would stay, but your quiet patience just washed it away. I carried the weight of the words left unsaid, the moments of doubt that lived inside my head. Yet every understand. Heart in your hands, I'm giving it free. All of my affection, the best part of me. Through every heartbreak, through every tear, your sweet forgiveness draws me near. I'll stay by your side, no matter the cost. Heart in your hands, this love won't be lost. I learned how to listen when anger would rise, to see the true feeling behind your tired eyes. You offered me grace when I didn't deserve, a gentle reminder of love's quiet nerve. Now mornings feel softer, the air feels so light. I'm choosing this path with my whole heart inside. No longer afraid of the scars that we share. Your lasting romance is the answer to prayer. Heart in your hands, I'm giving it free. All of my affection, the best part of me. Through every heartbreak, through every tear, your sweet forgiveness draws me near. I'll stay by your side, no matter the cost. Heart in your hands, this love won't be lost. I laid down my ego, I opened the door, found something deeper than ever before. This isn't a burden, it isn't a chain, it's the softest surrender, the end of the rain. I'm giving it free. All of my affection, the best part of me. Through every heartbreak, through every tear, your sweet forgiveness draws me near. I'll stay by your side, no matter the cost. Heart in your hands, this love won't be lost. Heart in your hands, softly I stay. This love won't be lost. Forever in your hands. Come closer, my love. I remember the nights when the silence felt cold, words left unspoken and stories untold. We drifted like waves on a restless sea, but your name still whispers softly in me. I held on to anger like stones in my hand. ready to mend what the distance did part. Softly forever, hold me again in the warmth of your arms where the healing begins. No more the heartbreak, no more the rain, just your sweet affection washing the pain. Forgive me, my darling, I'll stay by your side, softly forever. Our love will abide. You looked in my eyes and I saw all the years, every tear that we shared, every quiet fear. You offered forgiveness like morning sunlight, turning the dark into something so bright. I promise to cherish each breath that we share, to listen with patience, to always be there. This isn't a moment that fades with the night. It's a lasting romance that feels so right. Softly forever, hold me again in the warmth of your arms where the healing begins. No more the heartbreak, no more the rain, just your sweet affection washing the pain. Forgive me, my darling, I'll stay by your side, softly forever. Our love will abide. We walk through the fire, we learn how to bend. Now every tomorrow is ours to defend. Your love is the melody under my skin, a rhythm of peace where new life begins. Softly forever, hold me again in the warmth of your arms where the healing begins. No more the heartbreak, no more the rain, just your sweet affection washing the pain. Forgive me, my darling, I'll stay by your side, softly forever. Our love will abide, softly forever, in your arms again. Our love will abide. Morning light comes softly through the trees, carried gently by the island breeze. Every smile you send across my way turns my darkest night to brighter days, like the waves returning to the shore. heavy hearts with more than we could bear. Then forgiveness opened up the sky, giving broken wings the chance to fly.
Now the stars reflect within your eyes, brighter than the warm Caribbean skies. Every heartbeat sings a melody, a love that sets my spirit free.
If tomorrow brings another change, love will keep us safe through every phase.
Hand in hand we'll always find our way,
Growing stronger every day. Only you can make my heart believe. Only you give more than you receive. When the world is rushing far too fast, your gentle love is built to last. Only you can calm the ocean tide. Only you are home where I reside. With every sunrise shining through, my forever starts with only you. Every promise is a seed we sow, growing stronger everywhere we go. Like the moon that always finds the sea, your love keeps finding me.
no distance, no passing years can wash away
What we hold dear, together we'll write every chapter new, with hearts forever true. Only you are the song I sing, the quiet joy each dawn can bring. Every kiss feels fresh and new, a lifetime wrapped in only you. Only you are my sweetest refrain, my shelter through the sun and rain. Till the stars no longer shine above, I'll hold you with endless love. As the moonlight meets the sea tonight, your love fills my soul with gentle light. Only you, my heart's embrace. Forever love, forever grace. The sun melts slowly into the sea, painting golden dreams for you and me. Island breezes carry your sweet name. Every evening never feels the same. Your gentle smile shines brighter than the sky, like the first star waking up at night. Every heartbeat finds a softer tune, dancing with the rhythm of the moon. We have crossed the rivers of goodbye, found forgiveness where the tears would dry. Now our love is stronger than before, growing deeper with each shore. Keep me where the sunset meets the sea, where your loving heart keeps calling me. Every wave reminds me we'll belong, wrapped together in our sweetest song. Golden skies and island dreams come true, every color shines because of you. Hand in hand until the morning light, love will guide us through the night. There were moments when our hope grew small, silent echoes drifting through it all. Still your faithful heart refused to fade, building something stronger than we made. Now the evening breeze begins to sing, bringing peace with every breath it brings. Every kiss feels warmer than before, making me adore you even more. If tomorrow changes all we know, side by side our love will always grow. Every promise lives within our souls, making broken hearts become whole. Meet me where the sunset meets the sea, where your loving heart keeps calling me. Every wave reminds me we'll belong, wrapped together in our sweetest song. Golden skies and island dreams come true, every color shines because of you. Hand in hand until the morning light, love will guide us through the night. As the stars begin to softly glow, there's one truth my heart will always know. Love is patient, gentle, brave and kind, leaving every fear behind. Like the tide that always finds the shore, I'll choose your love forevermore. Meet me where the sunset lights the sky, where forever lives in your eyes. Every heartbeat, every gentle breeze brings my soul complete peace. Golden moments written in the sand, every dream begins within your hand. Till the dawn paints another day, our love will never fade away. The sunset fades, the stars appear, still your loving heart stays near. Through every season,
seeing your gentle smile to me. Every breeze whispers soft and low, a love that only heaven could know. You found my soul when hope was thin, opened every door I kept within. Now every morning feels brand new, because my world begins with you. We've seen the clouds hide the sky, shared the tears we couldn't deny. Still love held on with open arms, keeping us safe through every storm. Forever in my heart you'll stay, like the sunshine at the break of day. Every promise, every dream we share reminds me love is always there. Forever in my heart you'll shine, your hand forever holding mine. Through every season, near or far, you'll always be my guiding star. There were nights the silence felt so deep, when broken words disturbed our sleep. Then forgiveness found its gentle way, turning darkness into brighter days. Now your laughter fills the evening breeze, flowing softly through the swaying trees. Every kiss feels sweeter than before, making me love you even more. When tomorrow calls our name, we'll face each moment just the same. Hand in hand our hearts will see, love is where we're meant to be. Forever in my heart you'll stay, like the sunshine at the break of day. Every promise, every dream we share reminds me love is always there. Forever in my heart you'll shine, your hand forever holding mine. Through every season, near or far, you'll always be my guiding star. Like the moon that greets the sea, your love keeps returning faithfully. No matter where the road may bend, our story has no final end. Every heartbeat, every prayer tells me we'll always meet love there. Forever in my heart you'll live, the greatest gift that life could give. Every sunrise, every night, you fill my soul with gentle light. Forever in my heart you'll be my sweetest song, my melody. With every breath I'll always say, I'll love you more each passing day. The stars may fade with morning light, but our love will still burn bright. Forever in my heart, always true. Every beat belongs to you. morning breeze carries your gentle name. Every sunrise never feels the same. Like the ocean softly meets the sand, love found a home inside your hand. Every smile paints the sky so bright, turning ordinary days to light. With every heartbeat, calm and true, I found my sweetest place in you. Though we've known the tears before, love kept knocking at our door. We chose grace instead of pride, now forever walks beside. You're my sweet escape, my peaceful shore, the kind of love I waited for. Every touch feels like the morning sun, two hearts beating now as one. You're my sweet escape through every time, my safe place standing by my side. No matter where the winds may roll, your loving heart will always be my home. There were nights we almost let love fade, silent words and promises delayed. Then forgiveness opened up the sky, teaching broken dreams again to fly. Now the stars dance gently overhead, every fear and doubt have finally fled. Your laughter fills the evening air, a melody beyond compare. When tomorrow calls our names, love remains through every change. Hand in hand we'll always stay, growing stronger every day. You're my sweet escape, my peaceful shore, the kind of love I waited for. Every touch feels like the morning sun, two hearts beating now as one. You're my sweet escape through every time, my safe place standing by my side. No matter where the winds may roam, your loving heart will always be my home. Every sunset tells our story, simple moments, quiet glory. When the world feels far away, your embrace becomes my stay. Love will bloom through every season, faithful hearts need no other reason. Together we'll keep holding on, like the sunrise after dawn. You're my sweet escape, my endless song, the place I've always belonged. Every whisper, every kiss fills my soul with perfect bliss. You're my sweet escape, my guiding light, holding me through every night. Forever ours, forever true. choose your love forevermore. Sweet escape, gentle and true. Every dream begins with you.